Hello students, so in this video we will solve this question. This question is very important because this will come in 5-mark question and this is sure shot. This type of question you will get, okay, 5 marks. So solve the following system of linear equation using matrix method. So question is x minus y plus z is equal to 4 and this system of linear equation is given and we have to solve. We have to find solve means we have to find the value of x, y, z using matrix method. Okay, so we'll solve this. So how we are solving this type of question? First we are writing this in this form: ax is equal to b, correct, where a will be the coefficient of x, y, z, x will be x, y, z and b will be 4, 0, 2, correct. Okay, and then since ax is equal to b, so x I will find as a inverse b. Okay, there will be operation will be performed, correct. So directly you can write, okay, x is equal to a inverse b. Okay, now we will find a inverse. So a inverse b will be, this is the first time discussing the approach, then I will solve the question. Okay, a inverse. So a inverse is nothing but, what is the a inverse? A inverse is nothing but adjoint of a divided by determinant of a. And what is the adjoint of a? Correct. These are the steps. This you should know. Adjoint of a. Adjoint of a is nothing but that matrix of cofactors you will take a11, a12, a13, then a21, then a22, then a23 and so on, and transpose of this. This will be the adjoint, and determinant you will find very easily, and then you will multiply the a inverse with b. So these many steps will be involved. Okay, so obviously this is 5-mark question, so solution will be little bit lengthy, calculation will be there. Okay, but this is the sure shot 5-mark question, so you should practice. Okay, when you practice 4 or 5 times, then you will understand easily. Okay, so now I am starting the solution. Okay, so solution, how you will write? You will write like the system of equations, the system of given equations can be written in the form ax equal to b, correct, where a will be a matrix, correct, 1 minus 1 2, coefficient of x, y, z, that is 1 minus 1 and 1, 1 minus 1 1. Then second equation, coefficient is 2 1 minus 3, so you will write 2 1 minus 3. Okay, then third equation, coefficient is 1 1 1, so you will write 1 1 1. This will be our matrix A, correct. Now x will be x, y, z, variable x, y, z. Okay, and b will be right side coefficient, so right side is 4 0 2, 4 0 2. So this is your a, x and b. Now ax is equal to b. Since ax is equal to b, you will write since ax is equal to b, so x is equal to a inverse b. Directly you will write. Okay, no need to derive this and all that. Okay, directly you will remember that if ax is equal to b, then x is equal to a inverse b, because solution will be lengthy. If you will write more steps, then it will be lengthy more. Okay, so try to reduce the steps. So x is equal to a. How you will understand? For understanding purpose, a will go right side, then it will be a inverse b, correct. So x is equal to a inverse b. I hope it is clear. Okay, now b we know, x we know, correct. B already we know, x we know, but a inverse we don't know. A we know. So using A matrix, using this A matrix, we have to find A inverse, correct? And we know, what we know? A inverse is nothing but adjoint of A divided by determinant of A, correct? So first I will find determinant of A. So determinant of A is nothing but whatever the matrix, that you will take those elements only in determinant form. 1 minus 1 1, 1 minus 1 1, correct? Then 2 1 minus 3, 2 1 minus 3, then 1 1 1, 1 1 1. Now I will find the determinant value. Determinant you know how to find, correct? I will expand through this, correct? R1. I will expand through R1. So this will be 1, then 1, then this will go, correct? You know how to find the determinant, right? The corresponding row, corresponding column will go, and the elements remain is 1 into 1, okay, minus 3 into 1, correct? I hope you know all these things, correct? Okay. So 1, then 1, and minus plus 3, correct? Minus. So this sign will be plus minus minus. So minus of minus 1 will be plus 1. So I am writing directly plus 1. Okay. Then this row and this column will go. Corresponding row, corresponding column will go. Then 2 into 1 minus 3 into 1. Correct. So 1. Then 2 into 1 2, minus plus 3. Then last is plus 1. Then this will go. Correct. So 2 into 1 2, minus 1 into 1 1. Correct. So in this way I will find 1 into 1 plus 3 4. So 1 into 4 will be 4. I am writing directly 4, plus 1 into 2 plus 3 5. 1 into 5 will be 5, plus 2 1 into 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1 into 1 will be 1 only. So in this way we got 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 1 10. So mod or determinant of A we got as 10. Determinant of A we got as 10. Okay, so determinant A we got. Now we will find adjoint A. Correct. Now the main thing is this only, finding the adjoint of A. Okay, so adjoint of A will be A11. And what is the A11? Cofactors, right? Cofactor with respect to element A11. Correct. A12, then A13, then A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Correct. And after finding this, you will do transpose also. Okay, not only this, you will do transpose. Transpose means interchanging the rows and columns. So now first we'll find each element, like A11, A22, correct? So A11 means cofactor with respect to element A11. So what is the cofactor? Minus 1 to the power, like if you are finding for Aij, then you are doing minus 1 to the power I plus j, and then minor of Ij, correct? You are finding like this. Okay, so in the same way I will do, correct? So here 1 1 means 1 plus 1, minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, correct? Then where is that matrix? Matrix I will write here 1 minus 1 1, because that I will need. Okay, so matrix I am writing here. Okay, 1 minus 1 1, then 2 1 minus 3, 2 1 minus 3, then 1 1 1, because this I will need, so I wrote here. Okay, now A11 means for this element I am finding minus, so this will go, this will go. Okay, so 1 into 1 minus of minus 3 into 1, so 1 into 1 1, and minus plus 3, 1 plus 3, correct? You are doing like this, correct? If you will do for that element, then what we are doing? This will go, this will go. The remaining you will write like this. For 1, 2 element I will discuss in detail. Then for rest elements I will do directly, correct? So in this way you will do, correct? So 1 minus 3 1 1. Now I am simplifying. Minus 1 to the power 2. So minus 1 to the power 2, correct? And this will be 1 into 1. So 1 into 1 is 1, minus 3 into 1 is minus 3. So minus plus. So I will write plus 3, correct? So minus 1 to the power even. Minus 1 to the power 2 means 1. Minus to the even power will be 1. So 1 into 4 will be 4, correct? So in this way we will find for every element, like for A12. So A12 minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2, because I value is 1, J value is 2. And then corresponding this, for this will go and this will go. The remaining 2 into 1 minus 3 into 1, correct? So we will do like this, okay? So I am writing directly. For 1 I showed in detail, now I will write directly for this element. So this will go, then 2 minus plus 3, correct? So 2 and minus 1 to the power 3 into 5. So minus 1 to the power 3, minus 1 to the power 3 will be minus. So minus 1 to the power 3 means minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. So minus plus and then minus. So minus 5. Minus 1 into 5 will be minus 5. Okay. Similarly, I will find for A13. So I am finding fast now. Okay. 1 plus 3, and then for this element, so this will go. Then 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. Minus 1 to the power 4 into 1. Minus 1 to the power 4 again. Even power, then 1. 1 into 1 is 1. So 4 minus 5 1 we got for A11, A12, A13, correct? Now we will find A. Similarly we will find A21, A22 and A23, correct? In the same way you will find A21 means for this element. So for this element this will go, then minus 1 minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1. You will do by yourself, okay? So minus 1 to the power 3 will be minus, and so it will be minus 1 to the power 3 will be minus 1, and minus 1 minus 2 is minus 2. So minus 1 into minus plus 1 into 2 is 2, correct? Similarly for this, power is minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2. Minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2, I plus j. So I is 2, j is 2, correct? So don't confuse in that. Now I am finding for this element. So this will go, So 1 minus 1, correct? 1 minus 1, correct? And minus 1 to the power 4 into 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. So 0 into something will be 0. So no need to see the plus minus, okay? Here minus 1 to the power 2 plus 3, I plus j. So I am finding for this element. So corresponding row and column will go. Then 1 minus plus 1. 1 plus 1. Correct. So minus to the power 5 will be minus and 2. So minus 2. Correct. Now I will find A31, A32, A33. Okay. So minus 1 to the power 3 plus 1, and then for this element, then corresponding row and column will go. Minus 1 into minus 3, 3 minus 1, correct? 3 minus 1. So minus 1 to the power 4, even power 1, 1 into 2 is 2, correct? And this will be minus to the power. So for this element I am finding, then this row and this row will go. Then minus 3 minus 2. Minus 3 minus 2. So minus 1 to the power 5 will be minus 1, and into minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5, so minus plus 1 into 5 is 5. Okay, and the last one we will find. So minus 1 to the power 3 plus 3, I plus j, I is 3, j is also 3. So for this element, then corresponding row and corresponding column will go. Then 1 into 1 is 1, minus plus 2, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2. So minus 1 to the power 3 plus 3, 6, minus 1 to the power even is 1. 1 into 1 plus 2 is 3. So 1 into 3 is 3. 1 into 3 is 3. Correct? So in this way, we got each element. So now we can write adjoint A. Adjoint A means these elements I can write. A11 is 4. Correct? I will write here only. Okay. So A11 is 4, A12 is minus 5, A13 is 1, then 2, 0, minus 2, 2, 0, minus 2, then 2, 5, 3, 2, 5, 3, correct, and transpose of this. If I will do transpose, then I will find adjoint A. So adjoint A will be, our adjoint A will be, I will do transpose. Okay, transpose means row will become column. So I will write 4, 2, 2, minus 5, 5, minus 5, 0, 5. So 4, 2, 2, minus 5, 0, 5. Then this will become third column, then third row, 1, minus 2, 3, 1, minus 2, 3, 1, minus 2, 3, correct. This will be our adjoint A. Now A inverse. So A inverse is nothing but adjoint A divided by determinant A. Determinant A value is 10. So I can write like this, 1 upon 10, because 1 upon divided by determinant of A, and adjoint A. So adjoint A is nothing but 4, 2, 2, minus 5, 0, 5, 1, minus 2, 3. Here I will not calculate. I will not do multiplication with 1 upon 10, because we have to do calculation further. Correct? We have to find the x. So x was nothing but A inverse into B. So x is A inverse into B. Now x is equal to A inverse into B. Correct? And A inverse, just now we found A inverse is 1 upon 10, and this, so I will write 1 upon 10, and this is lengthy, but this will come in 5-mark question. I am reminding again. Okay, and this is sure short, one question of this type you will get definitely. So minus 5, 0, 5, then 1, minus 2, 3, 1, minus 2, 3. Okay, and this is looking lengthy because I am explaining also. When you will do by yourself, this is not lengthy. And B is nothing but 402. 402. So 402. So now I will calculate. Correct? So you know how to multiply 1 upon 10. I will write like this, and you know how to do the matrix multiplication. Correct? How to do the first row with this column. So element will be 4 into 4 plus 2 into 0 plus 2 into 2. Okay, so the same thing I will write, 4 into 4 plus 2 into 0 plus 2 into 2. Okay, then second row with this column. So minus 5 into 4, 0 into 0, 5 into 2. Correct? So minus 5 into 4 plus 0 into 0 plus 5 into 2. And then the last one. Correct? So this third row with this column. Correct? So 1 into 4 plus minus 2 into 0 plus 3 into 2. Okay, and this is not lengthy, okay, because I am explaining also, so this is looking lengthy. Now you will do calculation. So 1 upon 10, and this will be 4 into 4, 16. So 16 plus 0 plus 4. Okay, I will write one more step, 16 plus 0 plus 4. Then minus 5 into 4, minus 20, plus 0 into 0 is 0, 5 into 2 is 10. Then 1 into 4 is 4, minus 2 into 0. Minus 2 into 0 will be 0 only, and plus 6. Correct? So this will be, now I will write again, x is equal to, left side is x, right side is equal to 1 upon 10, and this will be 16 plus 4, 20, 20, and minus 20 plus 10, minus 10, and 6 plus 4, 10. So 20 minus 10 or 10? 20 minus 10 and 10. If I will multiply 1 upon 10, then I will get 20 upon 10 means 2. Then obviously this will multiply to each element. 1 upon 10 into minus 10 will be minus 1. And 1 upon 10 into 10 will be 1. Correct? So left side is x. X is nothing but x, y, z. X, y, z. Okay. So x is nothing but x, y, z. And right side is 2 minus 1, 1. And 2 matrix is equal. So corresponding elements will be equal. So x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 1, and z is equal to 1. This will be our answer. So I hope you understood. Okay.